Well, good afternoon. Market is entering into the close right now here on the 13th of December. We're going to just take a look at these trades as we're on the close. Negative day for agricultural markets. Not a particular reason other than the grain markets have had a good run up over the last 2 weeks. We just took a breather today. No new news. Exports were okay. Nothing a shock there, good or bad. But after a rally over the last 2 weeks in soybeans, it just felt like it was a day to see some profit taking. It was a slow day, a quiet day, and everything sort of moved together and just sort of backed off from the levels we've seen recently. And that's about all we can say about it. Let's just take a look at this. Right now we've got soybeans down 13 at 907. The low is 905 and a quarter. The high is 920. Corn down a penny at 384, a high of 386 and a quarter, a low of 382 and three quarters for March corn. March wheat is up on the day 9, heading in another direction, up 9 and a quarter, 935 and three quarters, high of 938 and a half, low of a high of 538 and a half, low of 527 and a quarter, last of 535 and three quarters for March wheat. And we've got crude oil up 89 cents a barrel, the dollar up 5, gold down $3 an ounce, silver down right now 2 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones is down 28. Let's take a look at cotton to get a final here. Had a big move up in the last 60 seconds from where it was. About 60 seconds before the close, cotton was trading 79.34. It ran up to 79.52. It looks like it's going to settle somewhere in the middle of that, about 79.43, which would be down about 54 on the day. Now, that might not feel good, but it's been down 80 all day, so it did come back right at the end. The cotton exports today, nothing special, but we didn't see cancellations from China, and that was noteworthy. It takes a while for these exports to start really showing up. It doesn't just happen instantly, because today's exports reflected last week's business. And it felt like that last week, China didn't even know what they were doing as far as new business. They're starting to put that together now. We should start seeing the results of that, and it should create a well-bid market in soybeans and cotton. When you see sell-offs, it's going to be met with buying. People are not in a hurry to chase this market up, but they are going to be interested in buying it on dips, and that's where we are. So we will see you first thing in the morning for our morning update. Have a good evening.